Dharti Aba Abhiyan Awareness or Benefits Saturation Camps June 15 pa 30 dak thagibule ase edu launch korobli laga tayari nimide Juniboto Deputy Commissioner IAS Dharam Raji pra line department sob logode coordination meeting do thagishe aji June 5 te edu laga meeting thagya homoy DC pra junai diche ki tribal communities empower korobli laga aim de Ministry of Tribal Affairs pra duita critical or time bound mission do loi ase Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan PMGANMAN aro Dharti Aba Janjayatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan DAJGUA koigina edu duita mission pa desh daga tribal area sobte infrastructure aro stature service kando pabo IEC campaign nishina noigina etu laga initiative to bosti aro cluster level camps laga true pra ground delivery kuribole koigina koise Aadhaar card ration card Ayushman Bharat card PMGAY caste certificate domicile certificate Kisan credit card KCC, PM Kisan, Jan Dhan account, insurance coverage, PMJJBY, PMSP are alak-alak benefits kando offer kurubo. Campaign to common service centers, local administration, frontline workers are inter-departmental laga active participation pra operate kurubo koigina DC pra kushe.
You are aware the government of India is undertaking two critical and time-bound missions. That is in order to empower the tribal communities. One of them is PM Janman, that stands for PM Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan. And the second is Dharti Abha Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan, that is DAJGUA. So together with these two initiatives, the aim of the government is to saturate the services and infrastructure in tribal areas. And that is a pan-India exercise in the tribal areas. So in this regard, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs is planning to launch a focused campaign. The title of the campaign is Dharti Abha Abhiyan, Awareness and Benefit Saturation Camp. So those camps will be conducted from the 15th June to 30th June with the aim to saturate individual entitlements at the last mile level and to create awareness about the DAJGUA. So all of you know the vision of the government is reaching the unreached, and through this the government wants a whole of government approach where the integrating government efforts along with breaking silos and fostering governance for the impactful change. So that is the motto of the government. And unlike the traditional IEC campaigns we have done in the past, this campaign will ensure on-ground delivery of entitlements through village level, cluster level camps, providing the benefits which include the Aadhaar card, ration card, Ayushman Bharat card, and caste certificates, domicile certificates, Kisan credit cards, PM Kisan, Jan Dhan account, insurance coverage under PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and PM SBY